first of all, it's much better with the mic on. So let's try that. This is the first time streaming with the new setup, and it looks like there are some troubles, but hopefully you will let me know if anything occurs. So what we're doing here is sneaking up to see if we maybe, because you can see the light, the sun is coming up, the moon is going down. So how is the tail? Is the moon riding on the back of the Henry's wolf? I actually can't remember. Oi! What was that? Jitterbug? No more jitterbug for you, baby. One sec, I just need to check that everything is running smoothly. So, we're sitting here, bored, on a roof, looking for love. That's not much to find. So, oi! Look at that guy. He's... Oh, that's the bosses. That's the bosses. That was the bosses. Where are they at? Check. I can hear them. It's intense. They want to get some blood. And they got it. God damn it, it was tickling all the right places. One sec, I just need to check. Okay. I have to go off because I think there are some issues. I'm going to run it the old-fashioned way, and I need to test this off a bit more before we go. I'll be back in a... Try this one more time. I made a little bit of a tweak. Let's see if it worked. If it did the trick. So what we're going to do first here is actually make a proper setup. Actually, it looks like it's going better now. It looks like it's going much better now, actually. It looks like it's going better. Better. But I could be wrong. Luckily, I can get you guys to tell me. Yeah. I'm waiting for the verdict. Okay, so we're going for reserve. I'm definitely not going to... I'm actually going to wear that one. I'm definitely not going for this one. Or am I? Or am I? Actually, we're going for this bad boy. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed. Like, really enjoyed. Still looking like it's going good. Hopefully. Hopefully that is the truth. And if you are watching, please let me know the quality. Is it good or bad? Are we sold or bought? Salty. Going good. Let's do like that. Much better. Okay. I like that. It's perfect. Oh, for my. Okay, so what we're going to do is make a short, not a short, a build, a small, nice build here. What we want to accomplish is having a proper recoil control for cheap price. And for that, I like the bullpup systems where you have the magazine in the rear. You can see you put it in right about there. That is where I want to inject the magazine. Besides that, this bad boy is not going to be used. Oh, what do we think is in this little boot magazine? What do we think is this? Oh, that was filth. That wasn't intended. That was not intended. What do we have in this? PS. It's a shit. Let's sell this shit. This one we need that. Let's put it on something so we know where we have it. It's always good to know where it's at. Where is it at? Okay. So we need one of those. Actually, I think I'm going to just put this one back because I can't really be bothered with this. There we go. GP points for the win. So it was actually fantastic. What we got from that's a little bit of a present. We got a present from Battle State because it was their birthday or anniversary. Probably the same thing. So that was actually fantastic. We got a bit of everything. So, what are we going to do today? First of all, I needed the magazine from what? This one. From this one. It's going to big fat steal that. Okay. For fan, man. For fan i helvede. Just needs to do like that. And we need to do like PS. Actually, there's some decent bullets and there's a lot of shitty bullets. We will go with the... Actually, we will take this one. And we will take this one. This one will go... No, this one will go there. This one will go there. This one will go there. Let's see if we have some extra magazines. Look at that. Actually, I will follow the advice of Christian. So we'll just do like that. And we'll do like this. And we'll do like, oi, M80s. Gotta love those M80s, baby. And as a fucking hell.